Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Welcome back. Hope you are in the best of health. Dear kids, are you feeling bored? I know you're feeling bored. To keep you cheerful and active, we will do some fun today. I will show you how to draw a cat from the word cat. Are you ready? Yes. Say it loudly, say it loudly. Yes. Okay. So, let us start. See, our cat is ready. Do you know, childrens? What's the sound of cat? Yes, it's meow, meow. See, I'm showing you. Do you know? The young one means baby. Young one of cat is called kitten. So, what's the young one of cat called? Kitten. Very good, my good kids. So, what you learned today? You learned today how to draw a cat from the word cat. And sound of cat is meow. Young one of cat is called kitten. Now, dear kids, you practice it at home. Hope you like it. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Allah Hafiz.